So in Fresno, California, just finished repairing a ice maker line. This old one here had either split or was chewed through. Not real sure, but they taped it up and put a bucket under it. And so that line's no good anymore. What we did is we just cut the whole thing out, cut it clean, and give you a brass coupling right here. This has a sleeve in here, so this 1/4 inch tubing has a brass sleeve, and then of course a ferrule and a nut, and the sleeve keeps the pipe from collapsing when you tighten this nut and ferrule down. And then of course I make a transition over to a braided stainless steel supply line. It's probably a 5-footer, right out of Ferguson, down right up the street, and then over to the existing valve. And so that is a 1/4 turn on, 1/4 turn off valve. We didn't touch that because we don't know what kind of shape it's in. We just shut the water down to the home and then connected it. So what I would do is leave this refrigerator out for the day. Get it pretty dry back here. I dried up some of the water that was back here, but get it really dry and then just monitor this here for any moisture. You got multiple points connection, here, there, and so any hint of moisture whatsoever, just even weeping the slightest amount, let us know so we can come out and tighten it up some more. But it's pretty tight, and you can see it's dry. And then over here on this side, this is just our hose right here, the braided stainless steel. So that's not our valve, it's not our little brass adapter, but it is connected to the brass adapter. And so same thing there. You just want to feel, right here. Make sure that this stays dry. Right there. Let me see. Put something on there because I saw a little bit of water. And make sure that guy's not leaking. Water was coming out of there before, so you want to make sure that it's dry. And so you can see, always see it glisten. I always like just run a finger on it, and if you see any moisture whatsoever, because sometimes this will just weep real slow, just barely start to bead up, and eventually over an extended period of time it'll drip just once, and then it'll do it again, and then pretty soon it's drip, 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 and then it sprays. So everything's dry right here, so that looks good. And everything's dry over here. Okay, so I think you're back in business here. Outside of that, this installation is done.